Hey loves, welcome into my YouTube channel. This is Eyeshadow and I'm going to be doing my makeup for my birthday tomorrow. May 16th is tomorrow. For my birthday, if y'all want to donate some money to this Cash App Foundation, in case y'all want to touch a little love on there. So this right here is the Burnt Brow Powder. Oh yeah, and this right here was the Kat Von D concealer. And these little spaces right there, I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in with brow powder. We can endorse that same concealer regimen right here. Then I go ahead and use my Kat Von D blotting powder just to take away all that moisture. I just feel so summery and warm and bubbly. I'm gonna just do those colors. So let's just start with this yellow and apply it all over the lid. These are my artist pigments from Makeup Forever. They come in like little squares, and then you can go ahead and put them in a Z palette, which I got from Amazon, and then fill it in if you want to. Now the yellow is coming out kind of orange because this brush wasn't really clean from the start. It had some orange on it, so yeah. Go on this Huda Desert Dust palette and apply this blazing looking color. That's this blazing orange color, and these back and forth motion like a little V in some type of way. And go and blend it back out. Just go and play it safe with this brush when we're doing this purple. Purple can be very messy. Now we can get to the most important, tedious but straining part of the makeup. Concealer again, kind of like hold my eyes while I'm looking at myself, but I'm not like eat, but I'm kind of like just enough to where you think you can see your crease. So let's get this small brush and bake it out. I feel like I need to bring out this purple in some type of way. And let's go even with a smaller brush, like this. So I'm putting this crystal glitter on. Let's go in with our e.l.f. eyeliner. Warm this baby up because I'm out and I ain't want to spend another $1 to get another one anytime soon. Put the eyelashes on. Let them chillax right there. We're just gonna let them feel the vibe on the lash first before it sits in the crevices and whatnot. This is a light neutral 45 from Kat Von D. Let's use this Mahogany 15 concealer. Now you can go as dark as you need to go, just as make sure you need to blend it out. The more you put, the more you're gonna have to blend out. Now we can use that same Kat Von D concealer under the eye area. Gonna bake under the eyelid. Now I'm gonna use this blue right here under the eye area to bring out my eyes even more. Then I might as well use that sheer sparkle right here on my brow bone. For toning my face with a little bit of bronzer, I'm going to be using this bronzer by Sephora. This is a medium 3. Then we can use our Becca palette. It's like a little contour and highlight palette. I'm gonna use my medium. Then our darks, kind of make the brush look like this a little bit to imitate a smaller brush. Then to imitate a smaller brush, I'm just gonna do this. But I don't want to use just this color because I'm just over it. So let's just put it on. This is a Kat Von D, a lipstick. It's called like a Everlasting Glimmer Veil. Alright, just gonna put on there for some ideas and inspiration and so forth. And I just want to use this thing. Let's find out. Well then, look at that. So yeah, loves, thank you for watching my birthday makeup tutorial. Make sure you go and subscribe for more. I'll most definitely be making a lot more content. Also, just make sure y'all send me requests and feedback. Like, I really like to hear from you guys and be very engaged in y'all content too.